This is a hood lock on both sides sent by car store, which is a JK version. It's not easy to use but easy to break. This lock doesn't have the style of the original car at all.
So we want to introduce a hidden cover lock to you.
It is very easy to install. Let's take a look at how it works. First, let's look at this buckle. There are a total of 6. Raise this little one. Then pull out them together. And take it out. Take it out directly. Okay, after the grill is taken, there are 2 screws for the location of the hood lock. We loosen it and put it aside. Then we take the hidden hood lock and key. The installation is actually very simple. Just install it directly in this location. We put the bracket on the hole, just 2 screws. After installation, take a look at this switch here. Look at this. This position. It's very convenient and practical. After installation, put the grill back directly. Let's take a look at the effect after installation. Okay, after the installation, to the left is to open, to the right is to lock. Let's look at this. Close the engine hood. Lock the hood catch. Okay, it's locked. Let's open the hood catch and check. It's already locked. There's no problem. Lock the hood catch. It is also very simple to use. Insert the key and turn it, and it will open.